Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 7, Unit number 13, the decline and the reawakening of the Muslims. The answer number 1 is, what was the reason of decline? The reasons underlying the decline of the Muslims. Number A, weak, incompetent, or aggressively ambitious rulers. And decline in education. The Industrial Revolution gave the Europeans great wealth and technical superiority, especially in weaponry. Corruption in many Muslim states weakened them. Internecine stiff pursuit of worldly power and wealth. This was the cause of decline of the Muslims. Let's see the answer number 2 of the exercise of this unit from textbook. The answer number 2 is the subcontinent and the Southeast Asian states were important to the colonial powers because they formed a guaranteed market for European goods. India was flooded with the cheap cotton goods from Lancashire, UK, although it had a long established hand weaving industry of its own, but which couldn't compete with the machinery of the West. The colonies were also a source of raw material of all kinds, especially for textiles, gold, and precious stones. And the answer number 3 is, Muslims might have maintained independence by adhering to the laws of Islam, especially regarding equality and just treatment. Had the rulers spent more time and efforts in the social development and uplift of their people, they would have had stronger economies as a result of education and industry and would have been able to retain their independence. And answer number 4, both Shah Waliullah and Sir Sayyid Shahid were religious thinkers and leaders who believed in and promoted a fair and just system. They also tried to unite the people into a nation. Their ideals can be called progressive because Waliullah, by translating the Quran into the vernacular, hoped that people could understand its teachings properly. He fought for more equality and urged people to return to the tenets of their faith. Sayyid Shahid tried to put many of these ideas well ahead of their time into practice through the concept of jihad as a struggle for liberation from oppressive rulers and a movement towards the spirit of Islam. Answer number 5, the Muslim countries in Asia were rich in natural resources, spices, minerals, precious metals and stones, ivory and timber. North African Muslim countries were colonized after the 19th century. The population of all these Muslim and other colonized countries was a source of cheap labor for the West. And this is the end of the unit. All exercise questions are completed.